Are you wondering when your Craftsman or Husqvarna lawn tractor was manufactured? Well, today I'll show you how to find out easily. So you go to the rear of the tractor, lift up the seat, and then right here, either on the seat frame or on the fender deck, will be a sticker with your model and serial information. So you're going to get a general idea based off of this statement right here. You can see it was made after 2017, but to get to the specific build date, you look at the serial number here, and the first 6 digits are the month, day, and year. So it says 04, so that's April, 24, that's 24th of 2019. Now you can sometimes get a general idea based off of the tires. Sometimes there's a code on there, but you also can lift up the hood and look at the sticker on the engine, and it should have a date of manufacture on there. This one's a Briggs Intech. The Kohlers will have a sticker like that will have the date of manufacture on there as well. So that's how to quickly and easily find the build date. Thanks for watching.